Hey guys, this is Kailash. I'm back again with another video of this ES6 series, and in this video, I'm gonna be describing that in which context we can use the arrow function, or even at where point we should not use the arrow function. Actually, this is a modern way of defining the function, but it doesn't mean that we should opt this all the time. Okay, there are some situations where we should not use this arrow function, and let's understand by taking example that uh, what kind of situations are there where we cannot use this arrow function. Okay, so let's take a class. Okay, uh, just take it a test class. Okay, have a constructor here. Okay, and uh, let's have a id variable just 67. Okay, let's have a method add click event. Okay, so in what we are gonna do here, we just having a button, and we will attach and click event on that button. Okay, so for this, let's go to the index.html file and have, okay, have a button element here. So give it a name check id check button. Okay, so okay, so we will be prompted a button here. Okay, so currently this is not working, so just go to the JS file and add a get first get the button element here. So button, by using standard JavaScript functions, document dot query selector, just use query selector, and this is the id button id check button. So we will be and add a click event on this button. Okay, so you know very well that how to add a click event on the button. Add event listener, here event on this, use function here, and this is a traditional way of defining the function. So what we are going to do here, that this dot style dot background color is equal to green. Okay, so let's create a test this class object, and let t, I hope you are getting clarity over this code, that what I am doing here, that I've just created a class, have a constructor, have a property here id, and then a class method add click event. In this I'm getting a button element and attaching a click event on this button, and then whenever this button will be clicked, the background color of this button will be changed to green. Okay, so I'm just create a class object and call a function on it. Okay, so add click event. Okay, so here we go, just we have attached, let's click. Okay, we got the green. Okay, so this is how the function is working. But if I use the arrow function here, okay, then see it's still working. Let's see. So here we go. No, this is not working. It is throwing an error that cannot set property background color of undefined. Right, we cannot set property on this. Why? Because as I've already described, that as you can see that this keyword in this keyword, if you use arrow function, then this keyword refer to the context under the which this function is defined, and that context is this class. Okay, so if we console this out, this if we console out this console out this, then this will console the context under the which the function is defined, and we got this object definition here, right? So if we use traditional function here, then see to whom this is referring, and as you can see that in traditional function this refer to the context or the object on which the function is called. Okay, and here button element is the one on which this function is called, so we are getting printed button element here. Okay, so let's see here, and as we can see that button element got printed here. So in this scenario we cannot use the arrow function, and we have to stick with the traditional function. Okay, so I hope you got clarity over this topic, and please do like and subscribe my channel, guys. Thank you so much.